Hello everyone, a very healthy good morning to you all. I am Tanisha from Government Model Sanskriti Senior Secondary School Sanghi in class 10th. Today I participated in science exhibition. The theme of my model is mathematics in everyday life. The topic of my model is practical probability. My model is divided into 4 parts. First is using a ball, second is using a spinner wheel, and third is playing card, and last is using a dice. Let's take my first model, using a ball. This is the entering path of my model. This path is divided into 2 equal parts. The probability of this path and also the probability of this path is 1 by 2. This path is further divided into 2 equal parts. And the probability of this path and also the probability of this path is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So the probability of 1 and 7 is 1 by 4. But this and this path is further divided into 2 parts. That's why the probability of this path is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8. And also the probability of this path is 1 by 8. This path is further divided into 2 parts. The probability of this path is 1 by 8 into 1 by 2, 1 by 16. And this path is further divided into 2 equal parts. And the probability of 2 and 3 is 1 by 16. And also the probability of 5 and 6 is 1 by 16. But we have a special case. The case is 4 because 4 have 2 entering paths. So the probability of 4 is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 4. Because 4 have 2 entering paths, one is here and one is here. That's why the probability of 4 is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 4. Let me show how my model is work. When we put ball on this model, the ball is came to 2. The probability of 2 is 1 by 16. Now we calculate the probability of 2. At the starting point, the probability of this part is 1 by 2. This part is further divided into 2 parts. The probability of this part is 1 by 4 and the probability of this part is 1 by 8. This part is further divided into 2 parts, so the probability of 2 is 1 by 16. Now let us take again. The probability of 7 is 1 by 4. Because this path is 1 by 2 and this is further divided into 2 equal parts, this path's probability is 1 by 4. Now first part of my model is working complete. Now we know that the probability of any event is number of favorable numbers of outcomes divided by total numbers of outcomes. Let us take our second part of my model, which is spinning wheel. When we rotate, this wheel is divided into 6 equal parts. 3 red parts, 2 white parts and 1 blue part. When we rotate the wheel, it is stopped at red color. What is the probability of red color? There are 3 favorable outcomes of red and the total outcomes is 6. Then the probability of red color is 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. When we again rotate the wheel, it is stopped at white color. What is the probability of white colors? There are 2 favorable outcomes and 6 total outcomes. Then the probability of white is 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. Now let's take third part of my model. This is playing cards. Playing in these cards are very interesting game. There are 52 total playing cards. When we take a card, this is King of Hearts. What is the probability of King of Hearts? There are the 1 favorable outcomes and 52 total outcomes. Then the probability of King of Hearts is 1 by 52. But King of Hearts is also face card. There are total 12 face cards. What is the probability of face cards? The probability of face card is 12 by 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means the probability of face card is 3 by 13. Now let's take last and the fourth part of my model. This is a dice. It is a natural die because the sum of opposite faces are 7s. When we play with die, the number comes to 1. What is the probability of 1? The probability of 1 is favorable outcomes by total outcomes. My complete model is made by waste material of my school. This is broken bench. This is broken bench script. This is broken screen board. My working model is the cheapest model. Now, uses of my model. Each part of my model is used in everyday life for play. The technique or each part of my model is used in game, weather reports, blood sample, politicals, playing cards, ludo, etc. Now the explanation of my model is completed. Thank you.
वो देखो ना, ठीक से ना देखो।
प्रिंस है क्या कोई 8वीं क्लास का बच्चा है? प्रिंस है कोई?